That Andre Giant's so cool. And your beer taps. Oh. Do you have anything else you didn't pull out yet?
Yeah, I got.
I see.
She offered it right like a pro too. She didn't
Am I allowed to look? Come back and look?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, is this for your bike?
I think so. Kind of cool. He's still unloading. Oh, that's cool. Camel jacket?
It's like $40 for it.
$40, huh? What size is it? Size is large.
Yeah.
I've worn it a few times. Barbie.
Some stains on it. It's cool, man.
I don't know if it's 40.
Nah, I'm gonna pay 40.
Yeah.
No. Would you entertain 20 for it?
No, I
No.
paid $40 for it.
You paid 40 for it? Yeah, it just has a couple stains on it. That's the only thing. It's a cool piece though, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Really cool.
I take 30.
Take 30?
Act like I'm not here.
I don't know. Copa Camel. I like the soccer. I didn't realize this was like a soccer
I had to
graphic.
look it up. It was like
Yeah.
a celebrity soccer game that they quit doing it in the early 90s.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
I couldn't find another one with the box.
do you have anything else like this at all? I would rather try to work a bundle deal with you for a bunch of stuff if you had some other stuff maybe.
Not much. Oh, that's perfect.
Put it together.
It's working, right? Leave it the way it's at. It's fine. $10 on that Disney.
What is it? Oh.
He's taking your wagon.
I'm moving it over here for you.
Chase him down here.
This is interesting. I don't even know what this is. Disney Cubes?
Disney Cubes, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. It's Michigan, too. They just won the
Well,
title.
you have
No,
any other Disney stuff?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Just these?
Yeah.
It's so cool. I don't really know what I'm not as. If I'm dealing with that kind of a camera, I want to buy it.
Yeah, that's someone's pile.
Oh, that's someone's pile?
Yep.
Okay. I'm officially that guy now.
Yep.
Do you have the other pieces of this?
Probably not. Probably not.
Yeah, no, I got you.
We'll take $5 for it.
Yeah. All right. Oh, you owe me 15 back. Appreciate it. I couldn't pass up the jacket.
It was neat, you know.
I'll use that fold I just gave you, right?
Yeah, right down there.
Still going. Can I get change?
Yes.
Carry card. But there's the actual quick card. Thank you. He's going. He's just doing his thing.
I guess.
How much is the comment? How much is
Oh,
the?
here are your comments. Here you are. Right here.
How,
Yeah. How much
$5.
for yeah.
the 5?
Yeah, the work.
Even though they're
I
modern.
love the cool one.
How much are these? How much is this thing of cards?
Here's the cards. Baseball cards.
So those are the garbage bags.
The baseball.
What about the Pokemon ones?
I don't know enough about them.
Year
What is this? Who's this guy?
2016.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, they didn't strike me as the old ones. I can say that.
Yeah, so
This is interesting.
No, they're not the old ones.
no, they're newer ones.
They're newer.
Dave found this really cool Kevin McAllister doll from Home Alone. It actually has a pull tag in the back, which he's supposed to make sound. Unfortunately, his voice box is broken. Dennis Menace.
He looks weird. Even I'm kind of tempted for him at 25.
See?
If he was cleaner, he's a little dirty.
Yeah.
Hold him up so I can Google image him.
It doesn't work.
Yeah. I didn't even know he had a pull tag.
Yeah, he has pull tag. This is not the stand that goes with it. This is a.
No, yeah, it's just he's holding it up on.
I think it goes
Just
for
buy
like.
one on eBay.
Yeah.
It's about eBay pricing.
Yeah.
30. Yeah.
I'm looking.
The crow. Couple of the crow sealed. What is this? Kindred the Embrace Vampire Club.
Google that one.
Yeah,
I mean, look that one up.
could be good.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be good to... That won't be something that you would want to
Great.
grade, but... Oh, dude. Screeners.
On those. 10 apiece.
10 apiece.
Okay. Yeah. And I've got more down there. Those are $1 piece. Okay. Comes in River Starship Troopers 2.
Keep an eye out for not for resale or screener VHS tapes. These you usually send to stores or rental stores for them to preview the movies and to play in the store before the actual release of the tape. Sometimes they can bring really good money, just depends on the actual movie. So always keep an eye out for them. Said you have more VHS down here?
Carry again, that quick.
Yeah. Would you do 5 for it?
No, it's the first time I've had it out.
First time you have that? Alright. I'll pass it. Thank you. LGN.
No, we're looking at 2 different things.
Oh.
I like this thing.
Oh yeah, I've sold that before.
Cool.
Do you have any more of these?
No, I wish I did.
How much is that?
I'll do 5 on him.
$5.
How much you say?
It's a lot of paint loss.
Get busted hat, I'll do 5 on him too.
You just give him 5? Yes, maybe.
Yeah, I have. It's the bank, right?
Is it a bank?
Yeah, I think so. Is the bank back of his head?
Oh yeah, it's a bank.
Yeah, bank. Yeah. There's like a whole series of them.
Oh yeah.
So.
I like him enough that I'll
Yeah.
pay 5.
Yeah,
How-
if you look up Topo Gigio, you see him on.
Yeah, how much? Okay.
How much is this?
I'm asking 30 on that.
30.
That
That's
makes
cool.
Dude, Dr. Pepper merch does good.
I know. Oh, all the hard ones.
Yeah, dude.
See what they have.
That's good. Halloween 2, dude, that's big money.
Yeah. Pens.
Those are big money. No, I've looked up the Halloween.
I
That
know,
one's
no.
great.
Yeah, it's not the one that you want though.
It's not? Okay.
Yeah, there's an orange box one. This is from '97 release, but
Dang it.
yeah, but there is. This is an older one though. This is actually
Yeah.
from this. It's like a $10 one. Oh no, maybe not. This is '94. Never mind.
So I know nothing. I would have bought those and gotten all excited. See, that's why we go with Rod. He teaches us.
Yeah, these aren't.
This guy, his clubs are really high.
How much are your VHS?
10 apiece.
Okay.
What are you?
My shed, man. It's got parts to make.
How much are your DVDs?
Oh, these are 5 each.
Okay.
Except like these few right here, they're like $1, but all like that.
These are $1.
10.
10? Would you do 5 on them?
Swear.
Huh?
Yeah. Trash movie.
Rod, you look at it?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
It's like you're right up your alley.
Would you make a deal for?
Like the little, fans.
Yeah, we'll see what he's got.
Yeah, whatever he doesn't want.
Yeah. Take less for bigger bills.
Almost actually 3 different
$10.
How many there total?
There's 43 in this box.
There was 83, not counting that stack that you had out there. I could do $3.25 for all of it.
325.
3 apiece.
Well, the total would be $4.15, so I just took money off, so $3.25 for all of them.
Yeah, I'd pass with that though.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
No
man.
problem.
I think
I'll take this one for $5.
Okay. All right.
I get these 3, 4.
$8, please.
Yep. You do not see this very often.
Yeah.
This is crazy. It's so big. Like, what were they thinking making this toy?
I brought it.
Like,
I got it! Wow!
Introducing the G.I. Joe USS Flag aircraft camera.
Look right there!
Some assembly required.
Feel the jet! Command battle station! Where's the admiral? He's at the wheel! Launch aircraft!
All kids live in
that Andre Giant's so cool.
Yeah, I found it while I was cleaning out my shed, digging this flag out. I was like, you know, I'm gonna bring that shit.
Do you have any wrestling figures today?
There might be a couple.
Couple there?
A couple of LJNs with their accessories. And then I got
LJNs.
Undertaker, Hasbro. Yeah. Everyone's got both of his guns. He's got his stick. He's the only one that didn't have an accessory, like didn't come with one.
Yeah.
And then his stuff.
You trust them when they go to
Yeah, right.
Yep.
You know, all the blasters. And
Yep.
What do you got in your beer taps?
Oh, $10 each.
$10 each. Goose Island. That one's kind of cool. The hops on top. Doing the Maguire.
86 dollars. I've only got like 5 packs.
Oh yeah, because of Jose Canseco. I forgot about that. Yeah.
What
I even like the tops. I love the tops design. No big rookies that maybe Cecil Fielder was my favorite player, and he's in that set.
Yep.
So.
Yeah.
What do you have on these? $1 a piece.
Sorry, Matt.
Do you have any other ones?
I'm surprised they're still here.
I'll take these. You don't have a full box of them.
I'll bring a couple of those packs so we can open them. You really are. I think this is cool.
Hey, look, it's Camo Picker.
Should we do that?
You guys just come into plush heaven.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, those are cool.
I know.
Only
Remember
10
last time? Remember he gave me the
these are
plush.
only 10 cents a piece.
But I know it's Vaseline for sure.
Yeah, same thing, right?
Glow light.
No, it's not the same.
Not the same thing.
But it looks like it.
Watch yourself. I know how you operate.
I think that sells for about that on eBay.
Probably. I don't know. I like the.
I like the
blue
shoes.
Hobnail personally. You know Hobnail, right?
Hobnail, yeah.
Hobnail.
But is there any Fenton?
Might be Fenton.
You're handling that.
This one's Fenton?
It's in your hand, bro.
This isn't Fenton.
Oh, this is Fenton.
This is
Yeah,
Fenton.
this is Fenton. There's a bunch of Fenton here.
Yeah.
And this is Mary something. She's the painter, and she's from Fenton too.
What are these ones?
Those are Fentons, and they're marked on the bottom. That's Hobnail Fenton. They're shoes.
Where's it marked at? I want to see the
What's
mark.
the crazy low price on this
Oh,
one?
that one is.
But they're Fenton. What? 20 bucks.
What do you have on?
These things are hot. This is hot.
I know, it's hot
What do you have on these?
10 a piece.
10 a piece?
But if you take all three of them, I'll give them to you for 20 bucks.
$20 for all three, huh?
That's a really good.
There's
Yeah.
something to that.
I think there is because there's not a lot of people who
Tim.
know about it.
No, this
in
stuff's
detail.
good. Yeah, and I bought this guy's stuff. His wife passed away, and he had like 3 times this or 4 times this. I just say I can't buy it all, you know. And I've already sold off half of it.
Pretty stuff. It passes the eye test, which is important. What I don't love is like the milk glass is too plain.
Yeah,
This stuff is really
Carrie's scared this will give him cancer. Aren't you? Because it's got the word uranium in it. You know what they use at nuclear power plants?
How you doing?
How you doing, man? How much is the game?
$5.
$5?
Yep.
Star Trek sealed edition, huh?
And then 10 on any of these.
Got any more cards?
I did have not too long ago, and the guy just bought the whole box of them. I don't even think he's seen these.
Yeah.
But
Got missed out. Bet you it was my buddy.
yeah. Oh, was it?
Was he with a camera?
Yeah. He had
Yeah,
a camera
that's
on him.
my buddy.
Yeah, he was looking at the box right here, and this was
Yeah.
clear over there.
Yeah.
And I don't think he saw these.
Would you 3 on that?
Actually, if would you want all that for $10? That whole stack.
Nah, I'll pass on
How
that.
about everything for $5?
Actually, what was it? Yeah, I'll pass. This is-
Okay.
Yeah. Would you 3 on that one?
Yeah, I'll be free on that. I'm trying to get rid of that shit.
Yeah. I get it, man. 1, 2.
All right. Maybe I can get the next guy, huh? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
And then these here, if you're interested in those, if you take all 4 of them, $40. $10
$10 a piece.
Let you make some money on them.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do $10 a piece on them. I appreciate that. They're going for like 10, 15 on eBay right now. A box.
That's not a lot, is it?
No.
About 30 for all of them.
I'll do 25. We'll do 25.
All right. Sounds good to me.
You just want to move, huh?
Yeah, it's got to go.
25.
All right. You got her?
Yeah, there you
All
go.
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
I ended up putting these boxes of cards and whatnot. They sold really fast. We were getting about 15 to 17 bucks a piece of them. So a little bit more than a double up for them, but we were able to move them right away.
Not too bad. Stop in here. This ain't a museum. This one's for sale.
How much are your pins?
These here, these $2 a piece.
Okay.
I'll do 2 on that one, and then by the bag on those.
Okay.
2 on that one.
Okay. See what else you got here. We're on a deal, and so let me see. Is this a case of stuff?
Yeah.
Is that Funkos in there?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Sealed, or not a sealed case now, but
It's all the same. Two-face. Yeah.
If you take all of them, $5 a piece.
Yeah. I've had a bunch of those, so I'll pass on those. Thank you, though.
Too bad they weren't Batman or something.
Yeah.
Piece of,
Do you have anything else you didn't pull out yet?
Yeah, I got.
I see.
She offered it right like a pro too. She didn't have
Am I allowed to look? Come back and look?
Yeah, go ahead. Go on.
Yeah, I see the comic book stuff. You got comic books?
Comics.
I see the box right there, BCW.
Oh,
that's a comic book
hey,
box.
somebody else said that too.
It's a comic book box, yeah.
It was just a box I had.
Gotcha.
Those Star Wars things. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got old license plates too?
Yeah, and this here is, you probably seen this case around here. They had the Marvel Mr. Oil can.
I don't know if I've seen those. Are you selling this by individually? Oh, these are individual price. Oh, they're cool.
Yeah, don't look at the prices on those. That's the guy that got the state. He priced that.
Gotcha. You selling it by the box?
Yeah, I'd sell by the box. I do $75 for the whole box.
$75 for the box, huh? Here, one, two.
We want to be Royal Crown. 700. All right. Stay warm.
15, 16. How much did you say for the box?
75 for the whole box.
Do 50?
About $60.
$60?
$60.
Yeah, I'd do 60 on
Okay.
this.
I think I'll give you 60 for it, man.
Okay.
I think I can make money on 60, and then you
All right.
you can move some more stuff. So.
All right, sounds good.
20, 40, 60.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man. I had so much fun picking at the Webster Flea Market with ADH Dave, Carrie American Arbitrage, and Lady Arbitrage. One of my favorite things to do is go there with other pickers and walk around and find them some great deals. I think we're going to make a lot of money off these license plates. I think a lot of these license plates we can get anywhere from, 15 to 30, 40 bucks a piece for some of these older ones. So we should do really well on these. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. We got some new whatnots coming up next week. We're going to be doing an all Disney show on Wednesday night. Pins, lounge flags, bags, all kind of merchandise. Some of the stuff's already preloaded, so I'll put the link down in the description down below. And then we have some storage unit blowouts we're going to be doing next week and the following week. So make sure you guys check those out. And until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.